in many types containers, 集装箱. ISO compliant containers exist in many types and a number of standardized sizes. But 90% of the global container fleet are so-called dry freight or general purpose containers. Most of them are either 20 or 40 foot long, that is 6 or 12 meters long. The common height for the 20-foot container and the 40-foot container is 2.6 meters. But there is also a taller 40-foot container exists. It is also known as high cube containers. 90%符合国际标准化组织标准的集装箱是干货集装箱，也称为通用集装箱。常见的尺寸包括20尺柜、40尺柜和40尺高柜。Here I show pictures of a 20-foot dry freight container and a 40-foot dry freight container, and also dimensions and capacity of them. Container capacity is often expressed in 20-foot equivalent unit, or TEU. TEU is often used to measure the volume of international cargo shipping capacity. For instance, in 2014, the global container fleet grew to a volume of 36.6 million TEU. TEU 即20英尺等效单位，是国际上常用的集装箱货运量的统计单位。Markings on the container， 集装箱上的标志。There are various markings on the rear end of the ISO container. Now I will explain them with one example. On the upper left part of this container end, there is an owner's logo indicating which shipping line owns the container. There is also a unique ownership code starting with 4 letters and followed by 6 digits. This works in the same way as a car number plate, help to identify each container. Below the ownership code, it is the size and type code. For example, in this photo, the size and type code is 22G1, means that this is a 20-foot unventilated general purpose container. Following the size and type code, some specifications of the container are listed, including maximum gross weight, 最大毛重, tare or empty weight, 空箱重量, and net payload and capacity, 净载荷和容积. Last but not least, on the lower left part of the container end, there is a safety approval plate, 集装箱安全认可标牌, showing essential information of the container, including age, registration number, and capacity, etc.